In primetime news this evening, COVID-19 cases jump to 44 with 3 dead. WHO predicts confirmed cases of coronavirus worldwide could reach 1 million in a few days. And Police Federation concerned about lack of gear for police officers on the front line.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Now Janella Precious is joining us live from the Halfway Tree Transport Center this evening. Janella.
Thank you, Herman. Well, we're counting down to the start of the island-wide curfew, which begins at 8 p.m. Now, while I'm in Halfway Tree, our colleague Vashon Brown is in downtown Kingston.
Thanks, Janella. Police swarmed the parade area of downtown Kingston. A few people still milling around. I'll have the details later on.
All right, thanks, guys. Now, there's also the business day and prime time sports in this prime time news package. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what more can be done to ensure persons adhere to social distancing protocols? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam. Now, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.